Hello students, in this video I am going to explain new chapter, that is algebraic expressions. So in 6th class we studied about algebraic expressions like x plus 3, y minus 5, 4x plus 5, 10y minus 5 and so on. Here x, y, 4x, 10y, these are all including the variables. What are the variables? The variables are the alphabetical words which denotes the unknown values. Okay, so here we will use alphabetical small letters from A to Z. Okay, we will use here, and along with that some constant values also we will use, so you can call them as numerical values also. Then variable can take a various values, its value is not fixed. On the other hand, a constant has a fixed value. For example, the constant are 400 minus 17, so like that. So all integers are constants and alphabeticals are variables. So if we write them variables along with the constant, that becomes expression of algebraic. Okay. Now the terms of an expression, whatever the expression we will get here, so in that we will get the combination of terms. How? See here, if I take 4x plus 5 means here 4x is one term and 5 is another one term. So here they given some terms of an expressions and their factors. Okay, so if you go through this paragraph, you will understand what are the terms and what are the factors. So terms are added to form the expressions. So if we add two terms, or if we subtract, or else if you multiply, then we will get the new terms. Those plus and minus will separate the terms. So here 4x plus 5. So 4x is one term, 5 is one term. Similarly, the 4x square and minus 3xy, so we will get a new factor, that is 4x square minus 3x. So here 4x square is one term and minus 3xy is another term. See here how they differentiated the terms and factors with expression. They given example, this one 4x square minus 3xy. So 4x is one term, minus 3xy is another term. And factors, so here it is including 4 x and x. If you multiply again, you will get same 4x square, and here minus 3 x one side, y one side. Another one example, 5xy plus 10. So 5xy, 5xy separately they written in the factors, and plus 10 is there, it is single factor, that so itself it is a factor as well as term. The next concept about coefficients. The numerical factor is said to be the numerical coefficient, or it simply the coefficient of the term. So it is also said to be the coefficient of the rest of the term. Thus here one example I will take, 5xy. The 5 is the coefficient of the term. It is also the coefficient of xy. In the term 10xyz, 10 is the coefficient of xyz. In the term minus 7x square y square, here minus 7 is the coefficient of x square y square. Okay, so sometimes you will get here positive, sometimes you will get here negative also. So it is based on that term. So once you go through the example number 1, here they given some expressions and you have to write the numerical coefficients from those expressions, and separately you have to write the terms also. See here they made one table. Okay, in that first they written expression, again the terms which not having the constants, and they written the numerical coefficients. Okay, so here xy they written term and having the coefficient 1. If there is no number means the 1 is always there. So minus y square, so here our coefficient will be minus 1, and here two terms are there, one is minus y and the other one is plus 5y square. So here minus y having coefficient minus 1 and y square having coefficient 5. Similarly 4p square q minus 3pq square plus 5. So here other than constant two terms are there, one is 4p square q. So here having the 4 is coefficient, that is numerical coefficients, and here minus 3p q square. So minus 3 is another numerical coefficient. Okay, so like this you go through the second example also. The next concept about like and unlike terms. The like terms means the when terms have the same algebraic factors, they are like terms. When the terms have different algebraic factors, they are unlike terms. Here they given some example: 2xy minus 3x plus 5xy minus 4. So here 2xy and 5xy both are like terms. The factors of 2xy are 2x and y. The factors of 5xy are 5x and y. Thus, their algebraic factors are same. Okay. So, here they given those which contain the variables. Hence, they are like terms. On the other hand, the terms 2xy and minus 3x have different algebraic factors. They are unlike terms. Similarly, the terms 2xy and 4 are unlike terms. Also, the terms minus 3x and 4 are unlike terms. So, now you got to understand what are the like terms. The like terms are which having the same factors, and unlike terms are which having different algebraic factors. And monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Monomial means the expression with only one term is monomial. So, we can say it as a single term. And binomial means which having two unlike terms. And trinomial means which having three terms. And generally an expression with one or more terms is called polynomial. Thus, a monomial, binomial and trinomial are all polynomials. Exercise directly 12.1. Get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constant and arithmetic operations. Okay, so already you are familiar in your 6th class. Here they are repeating subtraction of z from y. So what you have to subtract? Z from y means it will be y minus z. Okay, so you directly write in your notes, not in textbook. Okay, for your understanding I am writing here 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. 1/2 of the sum of numbers. First you have to add them. Sum means x plus y, and 1/2 means 1 by 2. 1/2 of sum of numbers, those are x and y. So here 1 by 2 x plus y. A number z multiplied by itself means z into z, that will be z square. The 1/4 of the product of the numbers p and q. 1/4 means 1 by 4. The product means p into q. Okay. The numbers x and y both squared and added. So squared means x square and added. So x square plus y square. Okay. So 6th, 7th and 8th for your practice. So try to do yourself. Second main, first one, identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factors by T diagrams. Okay, so we have to do the tree diagrams here for given expressions. Okay, out of 5 I will do here 3. Okay, here first one, x minus 3 is there. So here two terms are there. Separately write them. So one is x, okay, and the one is 3. Okay, so here x itself it is a factor, and here it is 3 terms as well as factor. Okay, no need of writing again factors. And next one, here total 3 terms are there. One is 1, second one is x, and third one is x square. So again here the x square having two factors, those are x into x. Now see for your practice, and D I will solve here. Here we are getting 3 terms, sorry 2 terms are there in D. So here it is 5x y square, and here 7x square y. So here the factors are 3, 5x y square. Again we can make it y into y. Okay, so here 3 are there, so 7x square and y. Again you can classify it into x, or else here only you can make it 4 factor. Here only you have to make the 4th factor. Okay, so or else do like this also, both are same. Next, E is for your practice. In second main only, second question is there. Identify the terms and factors in expressing below, given below. So here totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 are there. So I will show you how to do any 3 here, and remaining you do it your practice. The first one, minus 4x plus 5 is there. Here two terms, one is minus 4x and the one is 5. Okay, factors will be minus 4 comma x, and here 5 is itself a factor. And C, okay, B for your practice. So here 5y and 3y square, two factors are there. So 5y you can write it as 5 comma y, two factors are there. Here 3 comma y, because it is y square. So if you have to multiply for getting the square, you have to write 2 times. So 3y y into y square. And here f, here 3 terms are there. One is 1.2ab minus 2.4b, and third is 3.6a. okay, here factors are 1.2 comma a comma b, and here minus 2.4 comma b, and here 3.6 comma a. Okay, so you have to do the table for this solution and make separately expressions, terms and factors neatly. Now third main, identify the numerical coefficients of the terms other than constants in the following expressions. Okay, so here first one I will explain. Other than constant, here we will get here minus 3t square is our expression. Okay, so in this numerical coefficient will be minus 3. Okay, how to write this one? Here they give one table, in that table only you have to write neatly. Okay, copy this table, first write the expression and terms other than constant, that is 5 is constant, so other than constant will be minus 3t square, our expression. So in this numerical coefficient will be minus 3. And the second one, 1 plus t square plus t cube. Okay, other than constant are t square, t cube. Okay, so their coefficient will be, if there is no number means it is always 1. So here 1 at t, 1 at t square, 1 at t cube. Next, x plus 2xy plus 3y. So here no constant, so all our terms we have to write x, 2xy, 3y. So here coefficient will be 1, here coefficient will be 2, here coefficient will be 3. So like this you have to do up to 9 problems. The fourth question, identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So here first one, here only I will mention. Okay, first one, the term which contain the x, in first one, that is y square x, and the coefficient will be y square. So here y square is coefficient and required term is, that is y square x. And in second one, 13y square minus 8yx is there. So which containing x, that is minus 8yx. Okay, coefficient of x means we have to leave this x and remaining you have to write. So answer will be minus 8y. And here x is separately only 1 is there. So there is no coefficient means always 1 is there. So our coefficient will be 1. And next here fourth question, zx is there, our required term, and the coefficient will be z. So here 2 like their coefficient having the x, so x and xy, so here the coefficient is 1, here coefficient will be y. And in 6th 12xy square is there, okay, so 12y square will be our coefficient of x. And in 7th 7x and x plus y square, separately we will have to write the terms, and here 7 is our coefficient and y square is also our coefficient of x. Same thing you have to do in second, but here you have to find the containing y square term, okay. So this one will be minus x y square is our term, and here 5y square, and here 7y square along with minus 15xy square, okay. So here coefficient will be minus x, here coefficient will be 5, and here coefficient will be minus 15x and 7, okay. So here will be the answers. Once you cross check your answers also and write them in your notes neatly. The answer for the second question. So like this you have to make the table for the expression terms with y square and coefficient of the y square. So fifth question, classify into monomial, binomial and trinomial. Make here 3 columns, monomial, binomial, trinomial, and write the answers. So just I will make here MBT, mentioning the MBT values, means M means monomial, B means binomial, T means trinomial. So in this video, but in your notes you have to write separately and neatly. First one, 2 terms are there, it is binomial, and here 1 term is there, it is monomial, and here 1 2 3 terms are there, so it is trinomial. Here it is only 1 term itself a factor, so you can say it as monomial only, and here 1 2 3, so it is also trinomial. Here 2, so it is binomial, and here also 2, it is also binomial. Here only 1, monomial, and here 1 2 3, so it is trinomial. 1 2 binomial, 1 2 binomial, and 1 2 3, it is trinomial, okay. So you don't write in the textbook, you write it in your notes neatly with mentioning the full forms. Next, state whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms, okay. So wherever it is like I will write L, and wherever it is unlike I will write U. First 1 and 100 both are numericals, so these are like terms. And here minus 7x and 5 by 2x, so having the same variables, same factors, so I will write it as like terms. And here minus 29x minus 29y, so variables are different, so these are unlike terms. And here 14xy 12yx, see xy yx both are same, so like terms. Here m square p 4m square p, here 4mp square, okay. Here m square is there, here only m is there, so that's why these are unlike terms. Next 12xz 12x square z square, so here only xz is there, here x square z square is there, so these are not like terms, that's why these also unlike terms, okay. Now identify the like terms in the following. So for this, so identify first xy square minus xy square, this is one term, and same thing 2xy square. Next again no y square are there, so only 2 like terms we got. Again minus 4y square yx square, again where we will get yx square, here 1 and here 1, so 1 and this one, these two are separately like terms. So like that 8x square minus 11x square and minus 6x square, okay. These three are another 3 like terms. And 7y and only y, this is also 2 like terms. Again minus 11yx and 2xy are another like terms, and minus 100x and only 3x, these two also like terms. Okay, so here I given printed answer, just you go through that one.